Yeah, guys, that's right. It means all voters could soon have a say. And here's the number, 173,000 signatures to put this on the ballot.
I'm an independent. I'm not registered with the party, and I don't get to vote in the primary, and that's why I'm behind this.
Tony Stobie says he's tired of watching the primary elections go by without getting to cast his own vote.
If I'm an independent and don't get to vote, or a vast majority of the outcomes get decided before the general election, I may not even leave my house to go vote.
The Oklahoma Supreme Court unanimously ruled that State Question 836 can move forward. It's a constitutional amendment to create open primary elections.
Replaces our currently closed primaries that are in Oklahoma, which means you have to be registered in a political party in order to vote.
In a Republican-controlled state, this would give independent and Democratic voters a chance and could increase voter turnout.
Regardless of party affiliation, all the candidates are on the same ballot. Everybody goes and participates and votes, and then the top two vote getters proceed to the general election. 86% of federal, state, county offices had basically a meaningless election in November because the outcomes were decided in the primaries.
But there's something else to keep an eye on. The state legislature passed a law this year that makes it more difficult to gather signatures for initiative petition efforts. But the Oklahoma Supreme Court granted 836 a temporary relief from that measure, meaning it does not apply to the signature gathering effort as of today. But there's a chance that could change. The law caps the amount of signatures a petition can get in each county.
And it's about 173,000 signatures that need to get collected over 90 days in order to have it show up on the ballot next November.
But there are some against this effort altogether. The Oklahoma Republican Party posted on social media saying, quote, "The party will continue to fight open primaries. We cannot uphold our morals if those that do not treasure our values are allowed to influence the representatives chosen for our party." Now, the Oklahoma Secretary of State will have to assign a start date where they can start collecting those signatures. Tony is optimistic they could start doing that in October. At the Capitol tonight, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.